Scent is such a crucial part of your home decor. I know you don't see it, but when you walk into someone's house, do you notice how it smells? I always do. And each home kind of has its own signature scent. And around the holiday season, I think it's a super important time to create an aromatic atmosphere with 3 easy DIY scents. Welcome to HGTV Handmade with me, Meg Allen Cole, someone with a very keen sense of smell. So let's become fabulous hosts by simply boiling water, okay? Pumpkin spice. For this you'll need, for all 3 recipes, you'll need a medium-sized pot. Fill it with water, and for your pumpkin spice scent, first you'll cut half of your apple into slices. Add 4 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, 1 teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, your apple slices, and 4 cinnamon sticks. If guests are arriving soon, put it on high heat until you start to get a little bubbly action on top. Then you can bring it down to a simmer. And voila!
Ooh, this one smells like a spiced chai latte, and I highly recommend it for a cold, crisp winter day.
You can add water and more apple slices or cinnamon sticks as the day goes on. Coffee cake. For coffee cake, you'll need, into your medium-sized pot of water, add a couple of teaspoons of vanilla extract, about a cup of coffee grounds, and a few cinnamon sticks. And you had me at coffee.
It smells like coffee and it's amazing. Highly recommend this one.
Classic Christmas. You can use a large pot for this, especially if you're hosting, so that you can have the aroma going all day long by simply adding in more water and another orange slice or 2 as the day goes on. Add in 1 cup of fresh cranberries, 2 sprigs of rosemary, a couple of orange slices, 1 tablespoon of whole cloves, 2 teaspoons of nutmeg, and several cinnamon sticks. And voila! Classic Christmas.
You guys, this 3rd and final batch smells exactly like classic Christmas. Holiday perfection. If you're hosting, I would use a larger pot like this guy and then just keep adding cinnamon sticks and have it on simmer all day long.
How do you make your home feel extra special, festive, and cozy, and all that goodness around the holiday season, especially in the scent department? Fill up the comments with your ideas, your favorite traditions, and be sure to let me know, because you don't have to spend a bunch of dollars to get a lot of great scents. My husband made me say that. Fill up the comment section with your favorite and how you like to make your home super festive. Be sure to give the video a big ol' thumbs up, subscribe to HGTV Handmade, and I will see you guys later.